Friday, October 12th, I'm going to dial the answering service so that anyone who's interested may hear the call we got from our cable representative.
Al Jones and family.
Please enter your password.
Okay,
You have no unheard messages.
I'm going to skip over
To
the
listen
old
to your
messages.
Press 1. First saved message. Saved Monday. Message skipped. Next message. Saved
We're going to skip
Tuesday,
these old
September.
messages.
Message skipped. Next message. Sent Monday. September. Message skipped. Next message. Sent Friday. Message skipped. Next message. Sent Friday. September. Message skipped. Next message. Sent yesterday.
This is the message from the
3:18 p.m.
cable operator.
Listen to Al, you stupid motherfucker. You kicked my motherfucking ass, and I hope you will never have another cable service as long as you live, you stupid cunt.
End of message. To erase this message, press 7 to re-saved.
And here's
Next
another message.
Sent yesterday at 3:20 p.m.
I got your cable, you motherfucking motherfucker. I got your cable, you won't be leaving. Motherfucker.
End of message.
And we still...
Next message. Message marked urgent. Sent yesterday at 6:11 p.m.
Hi, Miss Jones. This is Rosamond. We got disconnected when you went to replay the message for me. My extension number is 2250, and you can give me a call back at 945-1111 and have them transfer you to extension number 2250. That way we can clear up this bad message that one of our representatives that you stated left. Thank you.
End of message. To erase this message, press re-saved. End of messages. To listen to your messages, press 1. To change your... Goodbye.
Now, you tell me, is this professional? Is this customer service?